Masooma, I can't believe it's your first time cooking biryani. Don't worry. It's not as complicated as it seems. I hope so, Mumtaz. Your biryani is always so delicious, and I want to impress my family with this dish too. No worries, my dear. Let me guide you through the process step by step. First, we need to marinate the chicken. Chicken it is. How do we marinate it? Take some yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, and salt in a bowl. Mix it well and add the chicken pieces. Make sure each piece is coated with the marinade. Leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. That sounds easy enough. While it marinates, what's next? We'll prepare the rice. Wash the basmati rice until the water runs clear, then soak it for about half an hour. Meanwhile, we'll get the spices ready. What spices should we use? For the biryani, we'll need cumin seeds, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and a bay leaf. You can also add nutmeg and mace for extra flavor, but they're optional. Great. I'll keep these ready. Now, what's the next step? Once the rice is soaked, boil some water in a separate pot. Add the soaked rice, the whole spices, and a bit of salt to the boiling water. Cook the rice until it's about 70–80% done, then drain it. Got it? So, after the rice is ready, we'll layer the biryani, right? Exactly. In a large pot, spread a layer of marinated chicken at the bottom. Sprinkle chopped cilantro and mint leaves over the chicken. Then add a layer of partially cooked rice on top. Repeat the layers until all the chicken and rice are used up. And with a layer of rice on top. Sounds delicious. What's next? Now comes the fun part. Drizzle some melted butter and saffron-soaked milk on top of the rice. We can also add some of those fried onions you love for an extra burst of flavor. Oh, I love the crispy fried onions. Can't wait to try this out. What's the final step? Seal the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let the biryani cook on low heat for about 30–40 minutes. This allows all the flavors to blend together beautifully. I'm so excited to taste it. Thank you, Mumtaz, for guiding me through this. I'm feeling more confident now. You're welcome, Masooma. Cooking biryani is an art, and I'm sure you'll master it in no time. Just remember to adjust the spices and flavors to your liking. Enjoy the process, and your biryani will turn out fantastic. I can't wait to serve it to my family. They'll be so surprised. Thanks again, Mumtaz. My pleasure, Masooma. Happy cooking. Let's get started on your delicious biryani.